Welcome back to Guide with Samuel. Today, I'll show you how to delete a profile in YouTube Kids on Windows. First, open your preferred web browser and go to YouTube Kids website. Once you are on the site, click on the profile icon in the top right corner. You'll be asked to enter your parental passcode. Type it in and press enter. Next, select the profile you want to delete from the list. After selecting the profile, enter your Google account password to confirm your identity. Then click next. Now, look for the three-dot menu in the top right corner of the profile page. Click it and you will see options you will see the option delete this profile. Click on it. A confirmation message will pop up. Click delete. Permanently remove the profile. And that's it. The profile will be deleted from YouTube Kids and you'll be back to managing your remaining profiles. If you found the guide helpful, please smash the like button and subscribe to Guide with Samuel for more simple and useful tutorials. Thanks for watching.